Welcome. This is a morning yoga full body stretch you can do right in bed or on the mat. Let's begin laying. Coming right into our supine pigeon pose, right ankle rests on the left thigh. Feet are flexed. You can rest right here or go ahead and hug the legs towards the chest. Option to rock side to side. Drawing the breath into the belly. Release. Opposite side, left ankle to the right thigh. Feet are flexed. Rest here or hug it in. Once again, drawing the breath into the belly. Release, hug the knees. And when you're ready, back stays flat on the mat, dropping the knees towards the left for a supine twist. Softening the shoulders and the upper back with each exhale. No tension within the legs or the feet, the toes. On an inhale, release, drawing the knees back to center. On the exhale, taking the knees towards the right for a supine twist. Once again, utilizing your exhales to sigh out any tension within the upper back and the shoulders, softening the legs and the feet. Release, hugging the knees towards the chest. When you're ready, we'll meet in tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Dropping the belly on an inhale, gaze up for cow. Exhale, round through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement. Begin finding some organic movement here, maybe rocking forward and back, or side to side, whatever the body needs. Maybe even finding some spinal waves. Go ahead and send the hips down towards the heels, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Drawing the breath into the chest. Exhale, sighing out any tension within the shoulders and the upper back. Drawing the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back with each in-breath. Exhale, allowing the hips to be really heavy. On your next exhale, begin to walk the hands towards the left for a gentle side stretch. Drawing the breath into the right rib cage, expanding the right side body. Exhale, softening the shoulders. Inhale, walking the hands back to center. Exhale, walking the hands towards the right. This time, drawing the breath into the left rib cage, expanding the left side body. Exhale, softening the shoulders. Release, coming back to center. On an inhale, rounding up one vertebrae at a time. Take your time here. Let the head come up last. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.